नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Now students, on the last part of coordinate geometry, that is part 18, 10th standard SSC maths 2, and that is we are going to finish today problem set 5. We have the 20th question. Find the coordinate of the center. This is the center. We are going to take it as x comma y. Passing through the points P 6 comma minus 6, Q 3 comma minus 7, and R is 3 comma 3. We have to find out the coordinate of the center of the circle. Is it right? Circle passing through points, we write solution here. Points P 6 comma minus 6, Q 3 comma minus 7, and R 3 comma 3. Okay, let O is center of circle. Again we can write let coordinates of point O be x comma y, point P x1 y1, point Q be x2 y2, and point R be x3 y3. So what I can do is x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to minus 6, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to minus 7, x3 is 3, and y3 is also 3. Okay, let me check it once again. 6 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 7, and y is 3 comma 3. Okay, and x and y we don't know, that we have to find out. Now what I can do, I know that OP is equal to OR. What are you going to write? Length OP is equal to length OR. Length OR. Reason is radii of same circle. So ultimately, distance OP is equal to distance OR, and distance OP is equal to distance OR by distance formula. By distance formula, what I can write? Under root x minus x1 the whole square and y minus y1 the whole square is equal to x minus x2 the whole square and y minus y2 the whole square. So, if I am writing squaring on both the sides, get. So x minus x1 the whole square, y minus y1 the whole square, x minus x2 the whole square, and y minus y2 the whole square. If I substitute the values, we don't know the value of x, but we know the value of x1 is 6 the whole square, plus same thing is y minus y1 is minus 6 the whole square, x2 is x minus 3 the whole square, and y minus 7 the whole square. Therefore, what I'll get? X minus 6 the whole square, y plus 6 the whole square. Here it will be x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square. So I'll get, here we are going to apply the formula of a minus b the whole square. So what you are getting is x square minus, I am going to do it directly. If you want to, you can put a step in between. यहाँ पे एक step डाल दो. So it will become minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12x plus 36 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 14x plus 49. So I told you that if they are having same sign and these terms are on opposite side of equal sign, we can cancel. The same sign रहेगा तो हम लोग cancel करते हैं. Now we put all the x terms together. So what I can write is minus 12x. If I transfer 6 on that, become plus 6x plus 12y minus, here also I made a mistake, it should be minus 14y is equal to 9 plus 49 minus 36 minus 36. So we are getting plus minus 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 6x minus 2y is equal to 9 plus 49 is, I think, 58 minus 72. So 72 minus 58 is 4 and this will become 40. So minus 6x minus 2y is equal to minus 40 minus 2 common liya so 3x plus y is equal to minus 40 or 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 14 upon minus 2 is equal to 7. So 3x plus y is equal to 7 is equation 1. Okay, got it? So please put therefore sign properly. Okay, so now similarly what I can do is length OP is equal to length OR. Here also we can write radii of same circle. So distance OP is equal to distance OR by distance formula. What I can do is OP is x minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y1 the whole square, x minus x3 the whole square and y minus y3 the whole square. Here we are going to write squaring on both the sides. So x minus x1 the whole square, y minus y1 the whole square, x minus x3 the whole square and y minus y3 the whole square. X minus 1 is x minus 6 the whole square, y minus 6 the whole square, x minus 3 is nothing but x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square. Getting x minus 6 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square is equal to x minus 3 the whole square and plus y minus 3 the whole square. Here we are going to apply the formula of a minus b the whole square is x square minus 12x plus 36. Please put therefore sign over here. I don't have place, so but you have to take care for it. Y square plus 12y plus 36 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 and y square minus 6y plus 9. So here we can cancel x square, y square, minus 12x is there, plus 6x, plus 12y is there, plus 6y is equal to 9 plus 9 is 18, and here it is minus 72 we can do. 12 minus 6x is minus 6x plus 18y is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4, is coming 54. So if I am taking 6 common, I will get x minus 3y is equal to 54 minus 54. X minus 3y is equal to minus 54 upon minus 6. So x minus 3y is equal to 9. It is equation number 2. Now we'll solve the equation, then get the coordinate about center of circle. I think you understood this. What I did, see once again, they asked the coordinate of the point of center of the circle passing to this point P, point Q and point R. So I have taken coordinate of O is x comma y, P is x1 y1, Q is x2 y2 and R is x3 y3. I know the value of x1 y1, I know the value of x2 y2, x3 y3, but I have to find out value of x and y. But OP is equal to OR. We applied the distance formula, we got equation 1, then OP is equal to OR. I got the equation 2. We'll solve the equation 1 and 2. We'll get the answer. So do one thing, students. Up to here, please copy down it properly. Now we can solve these questions by different way. As we are going to take equation 1 and equation 2. But I will solve by substitution. So from equation 1, what is equation 1? Equation 1 क्या है 3x plus y is equal to 7. So 3x plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3x. This is there. This is equation number 3. And substitute y is equal to 7 minus 3x in equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus 3y is equal to 9. But instead of y, what you are going to write? Therefore, x minus 3 in bracket, 7 minus 3x is equal to 9. Therefore, x minus 21 plus 9x is equal to 9. And if I am taking it together, x plus 9x is 10x is equal to 9 plus 21. Or x is equal to 30 upon 10, we got x is equal to 3. We got the coordinate of x is 3. And that we are going to substitute in equation 1 only. Or now substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3. This is equation 3. Y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Y is equal to 7 minus 3 into 3. Y is equal to 7 minus 9. So we are getting y is equal to minus 2. We got the value of x and y. Therefore, okay, so therefore coordinates of the center of circle is 3 and minus 2. That we are going to put in a box and that is your final answer. So students, copy down it properly. Okay, put therefore sign properly or and that is अच्छा रखो and copy down it. Okay, see the question number 22 is a question with star. This is question number 21. Find the possible pair of coordinates of the fourth vertex of a parallelogram. Fourth vertex, उसमें से 3 vertex दिए हुए हैं and we have to find out fourth vertex, and in that case we have to find out all possibilities. Means ये जो question है
वो रियल ज्योमेट्री, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री स्टडी करने वाला, आपको दिमाग लगाने वाला क्वेश्चन है। बट वंस यू गेट इट, इट इज इजी क्वेश्चन। अब ये समझ में नहीं आता तब तक फिर वो डिफिकल्ट जाएगा। बट इफ यू नाउ इफ दे आर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू लिटिल बिट, आपको थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल सी दैट फोर्थ वर्टेक्स करना है, उसके पहले ही 3 पॉइंट ले लेते हैं। व्हाट इज दैट? ए, बी एंड सी। तो ए, B and C is there, correct? So I will join this. Okay, A, B and C. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 5,6, B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 1, -2 एंड C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 3, -2. Now, if it is forming a parallelogram, may be possible एक यहां पॉइंट आएगा, correct? So, if I join this, correct? I have extended it because I will show that. And if I draw like this, so this A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So it is one of the possibility. But there are other possibilities are there. तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिया D1. या हो सकता है कि इससे ऐसे पैरेलल गया और हमने अगर ज्वाइन कर लिया तो if I extend this become a parallelogram. Which one? तो ACD, but हमने उसको नाम दिया D2, तो AD2BC is a parallelogram. Is it right? So in this is parallel to this is parallel to this. और तीसरी पॉसिबिलिटी ये बनती है, if I extend this, which one? And this also. Okay, so we should have a diagram like this. हमने यहाँ पे चेंज करना है D1 and this will be D3. So in this case, now let's see A, B, D3C is a parallelogram because AC is parallel to BD and AB is parallel to BC. So what we are going to do, 3 vertex of parallelogram A is 5, 6, B is 1, -2 and C is 3, -2. Now we know that there are 3 possibilities. एक A parallelogram और कोई possibilities नहीं है. So there are 3 possibilities for vertex D in figure D1, D2 and D3 are possibilities. Okay, in figure there are 3 possible for D. In figure there are D1, D2 and D3. Okay, after doing that, let co-ordinate of point A be x1, y1
point B be x2 y2, point C be x3 y3, point D1 now be x4 y4, point D2 be x5 y5, and points D3 be x6 y6. So what I can do is x1 is equal to, we know it is 5, x2 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to minus 2, x3 is equal to 3, and y3 is equal to minus 2. You got it? Now, first of all, we'll take this. Case 1. If quadrilateral ABCD1 is a parallelogram. पहली possibility है कि D1. So I know that D1 is equal to BC. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Similarly, if quadrilateral AD2BC is a parallelogram, a second possibility, so what I can write is AD2 is equal to BC. This I can take it as equation 1, this I will take it as equation 2. So what I can write is, from 1 and 2, I'll get AD1 is equal to AD2. See, AD1 is equal to BC, AD2 is also equal to BC. So from 1 and 2, what I can write then? See, this is congruent to this, but this is also congruent to this, but A is the midpoint. Therefore, A is midpoint of segment D1, D2. So, what I can do is, by midpoint formula, what is the midpoint formula? A का value क्या है? x1 है ना? So what I can write is x1 is equal to, this we have taken x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x5 y5, and x6 y6. So x1 is equal to x4 plus x5 upon 2, and y1 is equal to y4 plus y5 upon 2. But we know the value of x1 is 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to x4 plus x5 upon 2. Therefore, if I cross multiply, x4 plus x5 is equal to 10, and here I will get 6 is equal to y4 plus y5 upon 2. So y4 plus y5 is equal to 12. So what will happen now? x4 plus x5 is equal to 10 is equation number 3, and y4 plus y5 is equal to 12 is equation number 2. Equation number 4. So we got from if I am considering A as a midpoint of AD, similarly we have to prove that B is a midpoint of D2, segment D2, D3. इस तरह जाना है, तो और उसके लिए क्या करें हम लोग? If quadrilateral AD2 BC is a parallelogram, AD2 BC is a parallelogram. So what I can write is D2B is equal to AC. इसे इक्वेशन देंगे 5, रीजन देंगे opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent, या opposite sides of parallelogram, इतना भी काफी है. Is it right? We can write similarly. Quadrilateral, this will take BD2CA, BD3CA is a parallelogram. As we have written similarly, means we know that BD3 is equal to AC is equation 6. Then I can write from 5 and 6. From 5 and 6, they go D2B is equal to AC, D3B is equal to AC. So what I write? D2B is equal to D3B. Therefore, what I can write is B is midpoint of side D2, D3. Now I can apply by midpoint formula. What I'll get? x2 is equal to x5 plus x6 upon 2, and y2 is equal to y5 plus y6 upon 2. But we know the value of x2 is 1, so 1 is equal to, therefore 1 is equal to x5 plus x6 upon 2. So x5, therefore x5 plus x6 is equal to 2. And y2 is minus 2. y5 plus y6 upon 2. So y5 plus y6 is equal to minus 4. So what I can write is x5 plus x6 is equal to 2 is nothing but equation number 7, and y5 plus y6 minus 4 is equation number 8. ओके, अगेन अब आ गया कि C किसका मिड पॉइंट है, ये इसका मिड पॉइंट. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? इफ
quadrilateral ए बी, या फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can take that we know that CD2, no, it's okay, quadrilateral ABCD1 is a parallelogram. ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. Therefore, AB is equal to CD1. Here it is, equation number A, it become 9. The reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. That is more enough. Now, we are going to write similarly. If that is a possibility, what is that? AB D3C is parallelogram. So, what I can write is AB is equal to CD3. It is equation number 10. So, what you are going to write now? From 9 and 10. From 9 and 10, I can write CD1 is equal to CD2. So, C is midpoint of segment D1, D2. Therefore, by midpoint formula, what I can write is x3 is equal to x4 plus x6 upon 2. y3 is equal to y4 plus y6 upon 2. But we know the value of x3 is 3 is equal to x4 plus x6 upon 2, or x4 plus x6 is equal to 6. Okay, and here y3 का वैल्यू है -2 is equal to y4 plus y6 upon 2. y4 plus y6 is equal to -4. So we are getting x4 plus x6 is equal to 6 is equation 11, and y4 plus y6 is equal to -4 is equation 12. तो हमारे लिए इक्वेशन कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट हो गए? ये वाला, उसके बाद ये वाला, इसके बाद ये वाला और ये. अब x वाले कौन से हैं? ax वाला, ax वाला, ax वाला. तो what you are going to write is adding equation 3 with 7 and 11. What I am getting is x4 plus x5 plus x5 plus x6 plus x4 plus x6 is equal to 10 plus 2 plus 6. When I am adding it, I get 2x4 plus 2x5 plus 2x6 is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18. And if I am taking 2 common, I get x4 plus x5
plus x6 is equal to 18. So x4 plus x5 plus x6 is equal to 9 is your equation 13. Have you understood this? Once again, what I did, I first proved that A is a midpoint of D1 segment D1, D2. I applied the formula of midpoint formula. I got equation for x and equation for x4, x5 and equation for y4, y5. Then I proved that B is a midpoint of D2, D3. I got x5 plus x6 is equal to 2, y5 plus y6 is equal to -4. Then I proved that C is the midpoint of D1, D2. I got x4 plus x6 is equal to 6 and y4 plus y6 is equal to -4. Then what I did, x वाले terms को add किया, we got the equation. I think इसके बाद हमें ये continue करना है, but I don't have place to continue. So students, do one thing, you copy down up to here properly. पहले ये सब चीजों को समझ लो. ऐसा इक्वेशन हमें y के लिए बनाना है and we'll get the answer. Okay, so please copy down all these things properly by pausing the video. Then we'll continue over here. As क्या दिया है? x4 plus x5 plus x6 is equal to what you got? 9. But x5 और x6 का वैल्यू यहां है. Is it right? So what I'm going to write, I'll put in a box. So x4 plus 2 is equal to 9, and for that we are going to give the reason of from 7. From equation 7. So what you are getting is x4 is equal to 7. Now once you got x4, then I can do one thing. I can substitute here also. Then substitute x is equal to 4 in equation 3. What is equation 3? x4 plus x5 is equal to 10. So 7 plus x5 is equal to 10. x5 is equal to 3. And again substitute x5 is equal to 3 in equation, last equation. What was that? 11. What is equation 11? x5 plus x6 is equal to 6. So x5 is 3 plus x6 is equal to 6. x6 is equal to 3. Okay, so what we got is 7, then 3 and तो x5 और x6 का रिलेशन ये दिखाता है कि we have to put in equation 7. सॉरी यार, तो 7 में क्या है? x5 plus x6 is equal to 2. तो 3 plus x6 is equal to 2 और x6 is equal to -1. So students, we got this. You got it now? So I will do one thing now. अभी हमें x4 मिला, x5 मिला, x6 मिला. हमें चाहिए y के वैल्यूज. अब y के वैल्यूज के लिए क्या करेंगे मालूम है? इक्वेशन 4, इक्वेशन 7, so इक्वेशन 8 और इक्वेशन 12 को ऐड करेंगे. So what you are going to write? Adding equation 4, 8 and 12. देखो 4 ये है, 8 ये है और 12 ये है. Now
in this case we add like this, but now we are not going to add like that. You are going to add directly 2y4 plus 2y5 plus 2y6, because we are going to add. You have to write like this, but we have escaped that this step. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है 12 minus 4 and minus 4. So 2 in bracket y4 plus y5 plus y6 is equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. So I will do one thing. I will write the equation over here. What is that? We are getting y4 plus y5 plus y6 is equal to 2 is your equation 14. So x is equation 14. Okay, so we got equation 14. Now we try to find out the way we did it over here. Y plus y5 किधर है? y5 plus y6 is equal to y5 plus y6 is minus 4. So instead of this, y4 plus y5 plus 6 is equal to 2, and instead of y5 y6, what I can write is y4 plus minus 4 is equal to 2. That is from, we can write from 8. You got it? So I will do one thing now. I will remove all these things. Will do? So, what you got? y4 is equal to 2 plus 4. So, y4 is equal to 6. y4 is equal to 6. Now, you got the value of y4. So, we can do one thing. We can substitute the value and now substitute y is equal to 6 in equation 4. अब देखना इक्वेशन 4 क्या था अपना? इक्वेशन 4 था y4 plus y6 is equal to 12. If you see that it was written over here. So what about y4 plus y4 was 6. Now y4 is 6 plus y6 is equal to 12. So y6 is equal to 6. Now that value we can put it over here. Now substitute y4 plus y5. Sorry, y5. तो y5 मिल गया हम लोग को. So substitute y5 is equal to 6 in equation 8. What is equation 8? y5 plus 6 is equal to minus 4. So y5 is equal to minus 4 minus 6, and y5 is equal to, so y6, see, y5 plus y6 is equal to this. So instead of y5, I can write 6 plus y6 is equal to minus 4. So y6 is equal to minus 10. So these are the values you got. Okay. So at the last, now we got all the values. y1 mila, x1 mila, x4 mila, y4 mila, y5 mila, y6 mila, y5 mila, x5 y5, x6 y6. So the
the possible coordinates of point D are D1 is equal to, we can write 7 and 6, Y4, Y6, D2 is equal to, that is Y5 and Y, that is 3, 6, and D3 is equal to -1 and -10. So these are the three possibilities of point D. So you can write it properly. This is the final answer. This is I think it is one of the biggest question which we did. लेकिन इसको ध्यान रखो, इट्स वेरी इजी, खाली थोड़ा केयर करना पड़ेगा हमें. x4 निकालना है, x5 निकालना है, x6 निकालना है, y4 निकालना है, y5 निकालना है, y6 निकालना है. तो हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से केयरफुली लिखेंगे इसको. इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन बट इट इज लेंथी, सो प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ इट. अगर ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में आता है तो प्लीज अवॉइड टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. बट दूसरा क्वेश्चन आता नहीं रहेगा तो हमें जाना ही पड़ेगा, तो प्रैक्टिस तो करनी है. दिस क्वेश्चन यू ट्राई टू डू योर ओन वे. एटलीस्ट एक 2-3 बार तो खुद से करने का प्रैक्टिस करो. सो यू बी परफेक्ट विद दिस एंड डू इट दिस नाउ ओनली. बोर्ड के वक्त हमारे पास टाइम नहीं रहेगा, तो कॉपी डाउन properly this part also. Now question number 22, find the slope of the diagonals of a quadrilateral with vertex A 1,7, B 6,3, C 0,-3 and D is -3,3. I'll do one thing, I'll draw a figure. Solution, एक quadrilateral draw कर लेते हैं. Usually you draw a square type of or rectangle type of quadrilateral. A has a value of 1,7, B has a value of 6,3, 0,-3 and D has what? -3,3. Okay, so we'll find out we have to find out the slope of diagonals. For vertices A 1,7, B 6,3, C 0,3 and D -3,3. Let co-ordinates of points point A, B, x1, y1, point B, x2, y2, point C, x3, y3 and point D, x4, y4. So x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 0, y3 is equal to -3, x4 is equal to -3 and y4 is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the diagonals. So, therefore, slope of diagonal AC first. AC is this one you have taken as what? x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4. So, slope is y3 minus y1 upon x3 minus x1. This y3 is minus 3 minus 7 upon x3 is 0 minus 1. So what we are getting is minus 3 minus 7 upon 0 minus 3. So we are getting minus 10 upon minus 1. Therefore, slope of diagonal AC is equal to 10. That's it. And last one is slope of diagonal BD is equal to y4 minus y2 upon x4 minus x2. y4 is nothing but 3 minus 7 upon x4 is minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 7 and 3 minus 6. Oh, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 and minus 3 comma x2 is 6. So minus 3 minus 6. 3 minus 3 is 0 upon 9. Therefore, what I can write, slope of diagonal BD is equal to 0. This is the last answer for the question number 22. हमने ये टॉपिक कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री कंप्लीट किया है. आई थिंक यू एंजॉयड दिस टॉपिक. थोड़ा लेंदी था बट इट इज नॉट टफ, सो डू इट प्रॉपरली. खाली कुछ ही फॉर्मूले इसमें अप्लाई करने, तो डू इट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. We are going to stop it here for the topic coordinate geometry.